Hello there. Well, overall, the weather story for the next few days is unsettled and feeling rather chilly. Although for today, not too bad out there. So you can see in the satellite and radar picture from earlier, some rain is pushing its way south and eastwards. But for us, we've got quite a lot of dryness out there at the moment. Some bright or sunny spells, just 1 or 2 showers as we go through the afternoon. And our temperatures ranging between 6 and 9 degrees. Now, a few more showers as we go through this evening and tonight. Could be a little bit wintry in places, but for many of us, dry with a lengthy clear skies overnight, so turning pretty chilly out there. There will be a frost in places, and then by the end of the night we're going to see some rain moving into the far west. So low for some, maybe a dry chilly start first thing. We have got this rain pushing its way across as it collides with that cold air. Some of that turning to sleet and snow, mainly across the higher ground, and some heavy downpours of rain in places too. So all in all, a grotty Friday to come and feeling chilly out there. We're looking at highs generally up to around 4 or 5 degrees. And then looking ahead towards the weekend, well, it's a similar setup, so it remains unsettled. Spells of rain at times. Some of that could be wintry in places, and there will be some frost and some icy stretches to watch out for too. Do take care. Bye-bye. Hello again. Well, overall, the weather for the rest of this afternoon is not looking too bad across the region. So still 1 or 2 showers around at times, but also some bright or sunny spells in between. The winds are fairly light and we're looking at highs between 6 and 9 degrees. Now, there will be a few showers around for a time as we go through this evening, then clearing skies, allowing a frost to form. Then we've got a more organised system working its way towards us. So ahead of it, clear skies and it will be frosty. But as this system starts to push its way across the region, some of that rain could be heavy, also turn to sleet and snow across the higher ground too, and a much colder feeling day for many. Bye-bye. And feeling much colder over the next few days. Lots going on in the forecast. Join me later for all the details. Hello and a very good evening to you. So it's certainly going to be feeling much colder as we go through the next few days, especially at night time. Generally it's unsettled, spells of rain at times. Some of that rain could even be turning a little bit wintry across the higher ground too. And of course there will be some frost and perhaps some icy stretches in places too. Now, the reason for the current setup: low pressure firmly in control of things. You can see it's driving that front across us throughout tonight. And as we go through tomorrow, you can see the winds swirling in from a cooler direction, quite brisk at times. And that's what's going to make it feel even colder. Now, coming back to the rest of tonight, 1 or 2 showers around, but for most of us during the overnight period, it will be largely dry, clear skies and a frost in places. But you can see by the end of the night, we start to see this rainfall moving in. And as that bounces into the cold air, some of that could be turning to sleet and snow, especially across the higher ground. Although for most of us, it will be falling as rain, some of that rain heavy in places. Later on in the afternoon on Friday, we'll see some bright or sunny spells developing, but wrap up warm. It is a chilly one. Highs there up to around 4 or 5 degrees at best. Bye-bye.